Hey everyone, this is gonna be a quick room tour video of my home theater room. Now this room is made out of 12-inch concrete walls and has no windows. It has double doors so that I can watch movies at 3 a.m. at night and I don't disturb my neighbors. So let's begin the tour. So right now I'm inside my home theater room and this is the entrance. Like I said, this is the double door. The outside door is made out of teak wood and inside door is made from plywood. Got a magnetic net in between to keep the bugs out, and got the black acoustic panels on top of it so that the sound does not go outside this room. That's the front of my setup. First of all, I still got the Logitech Z906. That's my old home theater setup. Sounds excellent for the price. I still keep it while I play games. And this isn't just my home theater, this is my gaming room as well. So for my main home theater speaker, from left got the Polk S55, and by the way I've done a review of most of the stuff that I've shown here. The main subwoofer is Polk HTS 12 and got the Xbox One X controller sitting on top. I've put some double tape because I mostly play games in a dark room, so the light on the controller is a bit annoying. Then this is the Polk S35 as center channel. That's the Logitech subwoofer. And by the way, I kept the speaker grill off from all my speakers except for the top ceiling speaker. These are some of the posters that were gifted to me by my friends and some I bought myself. They are all framed. That's the back setup. I've put acoustic panels all over the room to minimize the reverb. That's my main seat, the Lazy Boy Dreamtime recliner. It's extremely comfortable. Got the Polk S15 as side surround and back surround, which I've yet to done a review. This room is basically a 7.2.2 setup and 7 bed channels, 2 subwoofers and 2 height channels for Dolby Atmos. This is also a newest edition, the Apple TV 4K. For display, I'm still running the old TCL iFalcon K3A. For AV receiver, I'm still running the Denon 3600H. Now, I thought to make a room tour after my projector setup, and somehow it got delayed. I'm still deciding between the Epson TW7100 and 9400. But Epson recently launched their LS300B laser projector, so I'm more confused now. Got my second subwoofer on the corner, Polk DSW Pro W440i, running the Polk OWM3 as height channel. And that's my PC for work and games. Perhaps I'll make a dedicated video of my gaming PC. These are my iPads for work, and that's pretty much it. Now this used to be a bedroom converted to a soundproof home theater room, but I've got plans to make another room far bigger than this with double row of seating area. I'll try to post regular updates once the construction begins. So that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching and have a good one.